thank you so much for joining me today. I know I look a little bit crazy, but I purchased some new things, two things, new things that are brand new to the market. I feel like everybody's going crazy to find them. The first one being the L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder. I found mine at CVS, but like I went to 2 Walgreens, I couldn't find anything. This this shade is gonna be way too light for me, I know, but we're gonna make it work. So this is one new thing I'm gonna try out today. And then I finally picked up the Maybelline Sky High mascara. I couldn't find this anywhere. Also picked this up at CVS in Black is Black. I'm super excited to try this out. Those are the 2 brand new things. And then I purchased some Alamar Cosmetics products. They had a deal where you could buy the blush trio and the bronzer trio, the complexion trio together, and it was like super discounted. So I got them both in light. And then I also picked up the Spanglish palette. Guys, this is so pretty. I cannot wait to try these products. So these are the only like new things. Everything else, I mean, it's gonna be old, but I figured I could do like a talk through tutorial if my cats allow me to, because they're crazy and they like to just, you know, go crazy while I film. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I just want to get into this tutorial because I don't want this to be a million hours long. So if you guys are interested in seeing me do my makeup and chat about these products, then just keep on watching. One other thing, not only am I going to be using a powder foundation like I always use liquids, but I'm also doing my makeup completely backwards. I usually do my foundation first and then my eyes. Today I have to do my eyes first because I like to clean up my eyeshadow with concealer, and I need to put all my cream products on first before I go in with the foundation powder. So you guys have to pray for me because I never do my makeup like this. I am so nervous. I really hope this turns out like, you know, okay, like decent. That's all that I'm asking for. It doesn't have to look bomb.com. I just need it to look decent. Quickly, I already primed my face with the Huda Beauty Jelly Primer. I also primed my eyes with the MAVEN Beauty Cream Eyeshadow in Alpaca. I set that with the L'Oreal powder, and then I also filled in my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. All right, so like I said, we're gonna be starting off with the eyes today. I am gonna go in to the shade Eyeka Cute, and I'm gonna put this in my crease. This is gonna be like a blending transition shade. So excited to use this super bright pink. It's called, guys, I am half Cuban, but I have like the worst accent, but I think this means Ponte Hyper. I don't know. Oh, don't judge me, guys. I'm putting this in the crease, in the outer V. We're gonna go back and forth. I really need to stop going to Starbucks because I walked in today, and this has happened the last 2 times this has happened to me. I walk in and literally the barista's like, "Hey Katie, your drink is right here." And I'm like, oh my God, how embarrassing, they know me already. So now let's go into the orange. It's muy excited. I use the same brush because it's going pretty much right on top of the pink. Wow, this is so pretty. I don't want to use any more though, because I feel like the pink is gonna go away. How pretty that is, oh my lordy. I love it, I love it. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. I really want to try a shimmer shade, so I'm just gonna take some concealer and conceal the inner portions of my lid. I really want to use Pero Like, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Putting this right on top of the concealer. Wow. Wow, their shimmers are oh my goodness, with the finger, forget about it. Out of this world. You're gonna think I'm crazy, but I'm taking Tienes Swing, putting that like right next to the matte. Ooh, I like it, I like it. I'm just trying this palette out, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect, but wow. Oh my God, I just wanna try all the colors. Guys, can you hear my neighbors? She just said, "I'm not gonna be able to wear my purple dress." I have some fallout. It seems just to be glitter, but no big deal. I don't mind that. I'm gonna go into concealer now. This is my tried and true Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm using Pearl. I used to use Snow, but I kind of realized it was a little too light for me, so this is actually perfect for me. So I'm gonna do my little concealer routine. This palette doesn't have a brow bone highlight, so I'm just gonna go into the contour palette or the complexion palette, and I'm going to take just like an Eco Tools brush, and I'm gonna use this as my brow bone highlight. Just right there. Okay, okay. Guys, I'm gonna put a little wing on. A little wing. I'll be right back because I have to be super close to my mirror, so. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. All right, guys, wings are done fairly quickly, and I think I did a really good job. I did like a more cat eye, like up wing. I don't know. I just did what I did and I can't explain it. So now I'm going to set my under eyes with, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. HD powder, but before I do that, I would like to put concealer on where I need it and where I usually put it. And this is it. I only put concealer here because I had like a little zit there. So I'm just gonna blow this out really quickly. So let's do the lower lash line. I think I'm gonna take the pink, Ponte Hyper. I think that's how you even say it. I don't know, I could be wrong. I'm just gonna put that on the outer third of the lower lash line. I might do a mix actually, guys. Yeah, let's do a mix. I'm taking the orange now. I'm gonna take Ica Cute, blend it out. Just can't get over how crazy pigmented these shadows are. So now we're gonna finish up the eyes. We're gonna go into the Maybelline Big Sky mascara. Sorry, I said Big Sky. It's High Sky, right? Sky High. Sky High mascara. This is, you know, I'm sorry. I really don't like to like rate a mascara after the first application because sometimes it takes a little bit for the mascara to kick in. But you know, so far so good. I kind of want to put false lashes on, but let's just go onto the face. Let's go onto the foundation and maybe later I'll put false lashes on. We'll see. Here we go. L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder. I'm gonna use my own sponge. This is not wet. And I'm just gonna dab it in. Here it is on my sponge. And just in case you guys don't know, I have very dry skin. So this is a little test on dry skin. You can definitely see a difference. It's not full coverage. I can still see my acne and a little bit of my freckles, but it does, the coverage looks good. Let me look at it up close because I'm looking at it from far away. It looks good, guys. It looks good. My nose is my problem child, okay? So if this looks good on my nose, we have a winner. Woo! All right, guys, I gotta tell you, this looks really, really good. This looks really, really, really good. The only area where it's a little skeptical is right here in between my eyebrows. But that area for me is like, I need to get some Botox because it's not looking too good there. But that's how it is with a lot of foundation. So I'm not mad at it. Guys, this looks really freaking good. And I have terribly dry skin. I'm gonna zoom you in so you guys can take a look yourself. Let's finish up my makeup. Let's see how it looks when it really sinks in and stuff. I'm gonna use a setting spray, so we'll see. We'll see. I know I look like Casper, but we're gonna change that now. I'm going into the Complexion Trio. This is in Fair Light and by Alamar Cosmetics. And I think I'm gonna go into Pale Wear first. I know this is gonna be light for me, but I just kind of want to see, you know, what it looks like. She did really help me out, but I'm gonna go in with Café con Leche and just going over the same areas, cheeks, forehead, a little bit like on my jaw because I have like a big old fat face, and then a little bit on my nose. I love this bronzer. So now we're gonna go into their blush palette. This is Fair Light. And I like the packaging, by the way. It's cardboard, it's sleek, it's easy to use, it's a little magnetic closure, has a beautiful, like the mirror is great. It's not warped or anything. So yeah, I really like the packaging. It's simple. I'm good with it. If I can open up this blush palette, for goodness sake. Okay, Beautiful. And I like that everything is like cohesive. Like the blush palette and the bronzer palette, they're kind of like the same thing, but of course different, you know. This has like a beautiful sunset, and this has like a really cool like marbly bronze action going. So now we're gonna get, wow, I don't know what I want to use. Oh my god, like I can use any of these. I think I'm gonna use this one because it matches with the eyes. Oh my god, I want to put this all over my face. Put a little bit on my nose because I love it so much. I'm gonna put you guys on to my favorite setting spray right now. I love my MAC Fix Plus, I love my Urban Decay All Nighter, but this setting spray is beautiful. Pixie sent this to me a while ago and I just started using it recently, like a couple weeks ago. Guys, this is the Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist with rose water and green tea. Now, I usually don't like products with rose in it. I just don't like the smell, but this smells so good. I promise you, you have got to run to Target and pick this up. Honestly. I'm gonna do a little spray. For lips, number one, I'm using Milani's Most Natural Lip Liner. Now I'm going in with Too Faced's Melted Matte Longwear Lipstick in my type. I want to do just a little gloss, so I'm going into Milani's Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in Soft Rose. I gotta re-straighten my hair real quick because I went ham on that setting spray, but then I'll be back to wrap this video up. I might put on false lashes too. I think I am. I'm back. So I put on some false lashes. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies. They're the only lashes that I use. I used my last ones. I love them so much. I'm not really a lash person, but I just like this look a little bit better with a little more lash. So really quick to round up, number one, the foundation. I have to say this looks really good on my skin. The only areas that look a little skeptical, like I said before, right here in between my eyebrows, it just looks a little heavy, and then around my nose it looks a little heavy. But other than that, my cheeks, my forehead up here, my nose, flawless. Like if you told me I was wearing a powder foundation right now, I'd be like, no. But I am, obviously. You guys know that I am. I know that I am. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. So, yeah, I mean, like I said, I have dry skin. This looks great. I don't know how long it's gonna wear, and it's already 7:48 at night. I won't be able to tell you that, but maybe I will do like a roundup video a little bit later. Probably more on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me there. The Alamar Cosmetics products, guys, super, I don't want to say impressed because I kind of felt these were going to be good, but these definitely blew me away. This blush trio, oh my god, so good. My blush, oh my god, so good. Bronzer, love it. The palette, I want to use it again. Like I want to use it again tomorrow. Beautiful. I love the colors. So love all of these, no complaints. And then the last thing I wanted to touch on, the Sky High Mascara by Maybelline. Like I said, it's not my favorite, but this is like a good number 2 for me. It gives really good separation, really good length. I just like a little bit of a clump action. That's why I like my Essence False Lash Effect mascara a little bit better. It gives me a little bit more clump, not in a bad way. Like I said, it gave me a lot of length and it really did separate my lashes really well. So like I said, a good number 2 mascara. I'm gonna keep using it though. Like I mentioned before, you can't ever just use the mascara once and call it a day. You have to use it a couple times. So yeah, that's all that I have for you guys. Let me know if you like these kind of talk through tutorials, or if you guys want to stick, or if you guys want me to stick to voiceovers, let me know. I kind of like doing these every now and then just to switch things up, but you guys let me know. That's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.